Hey guys, so today I'm going to be drawing like liminal spaces, and this is sped up because this took like over an hour to literally make. So if you notice that it's a little sped up, yes. So today I'm going to be drawing some of my dreams and some of the liminal spaces I've seen. One is a dream, which is the second one on this video. The first one is a liminal space. Let me explain the first one. So basically what it was is that I was going to get my pictures taken, and so after I did get them, after I got them taken, I saw a liminal space in the back of the room that I was in, and it kind of looked alike to this, which made me super comfortable because I love liminal spaces. And so basically I really wanted to go into it, but I bet it was like a staff only room. And so yeah, I got my makeup done and then I got pictures. And then, if you notice throughout this video I sound weird, it's because I like talking like this. I like talking in a weird accent. So yeah, that's the end for this one. The next one was about a dream. I'll explain that one once we get into a different. I'll explain that one once we get into that one, but for now, just watch this one and enjoy. This next one is about a dream where I was getting chased by a unicorn, a man in a unicorn mascot, and I got jumped. They jumped on top of me, and before they really could land, I woke up, obviously. And then what happened before that is that I had to I was scared and noticed the mascot or figure in the distance. So I had been hiding, and so they found me, ran towards me, and yes, my dream didn't look exactly like this. I can't quite remember, but what I can remember is the beams and the orange background. I'm not sure if it had that kind of dream floor, so yeah. I added some shading because earlier in the video, after drawing the unicorn in, I thought that my drawing had gotten messed up because of an optical illusion. Anyways, back to the video.